like to request Professor Dr. Amrish Saxena, Dean DME Media School, to share your thoughts with us.
Thank you, Muskan. This is an occasion wherein the new student, the first year students need to interact with the seniors, and it's a welcome ceremony which is organized by seniors for the juniors. And as we all know that it is not possible this time in the offline mode, so we are having this online. And I believe whatever programs is being decided, organized by the students, so let us enjoy that function instead of I saying anything or doing any preachings. So this day is not for that. So let us continue with the program.
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to request Professor Dr. Sushmita Bala, Head DME Media School, to share her words of wisdom.
थैंक यू मुस्कान सर टोल्ड यू कि हम लोगों को अभी बोलने का जरूरत नहीं है एंजॉय योर डे एंड फर्स्ट ईयर बेसिकली मैं केवल ये कहूंगी कि सारे लोग ऑनलाइन हो बट अपना कैमरा ऑन करो तब एंजॉय तुम भी करोगे और हम भी करेंगे थैंक
you ma'am. And now I would like to request Akriti to take the program further.
Thank you मुस्कान. तो भगवान जी की ब्लेसिंग्स तो हमने ले ली हैं. अब इस फ्रेशर्स की शाम को और रंगीन बनाते हैं और शुरू करते हैं कल्चरल प्रोग्राम्स और मजेदार गेम्स की जुगलबंदी. तो अब बारी है एक बहुत ही अमेजिंग डांसर की एक अमेजिंग परफॉर्मेंस देखने की. तो here's presenting a dance performance by Aryan Malhotra from second year. जैसा कि मैंने स्टार्टिंग में बताया था कि कल्चरल प्रोग्राम और गेम्स की जुगलबंदी होने वाली है, तो अब एक गेम हो जाए. गेम का नाम है फोटो विद मीनिंग, जो होस्ट करेंगे मयंक वैश. ओवर टू यू मयंक.
तो ऑफिशियली सबको हेलो, ईच एंड एवरी फ्रेशर्स है. तो आज मैं आप सभी को बता दूं कि हमने वेब 2021 को 2 सेगमेंट में डिवाइड करा है. फर्स्ट इज मिस्टर एंड मिस बीजेएमसी एंड सेकंड इज ग्रुप एक्टिविटीज. तो ग्रुप एक्टिविटीज की बात करते हैं तो हमने 3 राउंड रखे हैं, फोटो कैप्शन, कैरियोके एंड पिक्शनरी राउंड, जिसमें हमने सारे भी जितने भी हमारे टीम हैं उन सबको 3-3 पार्टिसिपेंट में डिवाइड करा है. हमने टोटल 18 टीम्स बनाई है जूनियर्स की, जिसमें हर नाम ऐसे है: टीम वेब सोशल मीडिया, टीम इंस्टाग्राम, टीम स्नैपचैट. तो सारी टीम ऐसी हैं. तो हम बात करते हैं पहले फर्स्ट राउंड की, विच इज फोटो कैप्शन. तो लेट्स रोल दी फोटो कैप्शन.
So next we have a grooving dance performance by Chetna Garg from second year. बात है चेतना, मजा ही आ गया. Now I request Tanika to please take the game forward.
Hello, freshers. Let's see who knows Bollywood at the best from our freshies. And to know that, let us dive into a game which is Pictionary. The rules for which are pretty simple. There are a total of 18 teams. Each member will be representing their respective teams. 12 picture rounds will be there. Every picture drawn holds 1 point, and to get that point, you have to type the correct answer in the chat box within a time frame of 30 seconds. Participants, make sure that you change your chat settings from everyone to Kshitij only. Time will only start after the picture is drawn on board and an announcement of time up will be made. So buckle up, guys. Let's get your first hint. So time starts now. Naina is
Time's up. Time's up. Time's up.
Anyone can answer now from our audience. We can have answers from our audience. Akriti, you can check from audience if anyone like to answer. Hey, Ashita. Please unmute Ashita. So moving on to next picture. So this is your next hint, guys. Time starts now.
Okay, time is up, guys.
Time up, guys. Next, move on to our next round. So this is your next movie hint, guys.
Okay, time is up, guys.
This is your next movie hint. Time starts now.
Okay, time's up.
I would request all the participants to send message to everyone and not to the DME Media School host directly.
This is your next movie hint, guys.
Okay, time's up.
I guess this was simple.
Please send messages directly to everyone and not to the DME Media School host. Those who are sending messages, please send it directly to everyone, not only to Delhi Metropolitan Education host.
This is your next movie hint, guys. Time starts now.
Okay, time is up.
So time starts now. This is pretty simple.
Okay, time is up.
I opened this movie from our teachers too. So time starts now.
Time is up.
Anyone who would like to answer this one?
तनिका,
Yes.
हम आपसे हैं कौन?
I guess this is like the most popular one. So the time starts now.
Okay, time up.
So the time starts now.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the second last movie of this game. So buckle up, guys. So the time starts now.
Okay, time's up.
This is the last picture round, guys. time starts now.
Okay, time is up.
So that was it for this game. I now request Akriti to take over.
I can see Ravikant sir, so I would like to request Professor Dr. Ravikant Swami, Director DME, to address us all.
It's a great day today. We are welcoming the freshers, and this batch is really special because the students are entering in a very different world. The counselings used to be offline, and students used to visit the college. This time, nothing happened. Everything was digital. So that way, this batch is special because this batch is entering into their college in a totally digital world. So in a way, the media industry is changing, and that way the 2021 BGMC batch is entering into a different kind of media world. When students, people used to say that the media industry is the one which is badly hit by COVID. But then we found that the media industry was fast enough to adapt to the changes. And suddenly we shifted from the theaters and the large screens and the PVR cinemas and the big cinemas to the OTT. So it's this batch of BGMC is like the OTT batch because the media world has changed, things will be different, and you will be learning, you will be making a career in a media world which will not be the same as it used to be. Now you are going to have a very vast scope with things like Netflix and Amazon Prime and this entire OTT platform. So I welcome this batch into this new and challenging world. Well, students, I am sure you are going to enjoy this journey of 6 semesters, 3 years, and I can tell you, my 4 years with this college, I am, I feel very happy to be a student of DME Media School because I enjoy the programs, and this is a school wherein I get an opportunity to meet the celebrities which I have witnessed throughout my childhood. So that's the beauty of this DME Media School, that we bring in people. Professor Saxena, Dr. Bala is able to bring in people whom I have adored throughout my childhood. I got an opportunity to meet Tigmanshu Dhulia through DME Media School. I got an opportunity to meet news readers whom I have been watching throughout my entire career. So these are the advantages, these are the special things which no other media school can offer. With this, I welcome the 2021 batch, and I'm very sure the coming 3 years are going to be very challenging. And I'm telling you, your teachers will hardly give you breathing time because they are going to provide you so many projects, so much of work. Thanks and welcome again. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Over to you, Akriti, now.
Thank you, Muskan. So the game that we played above was very well conducted and the audience were really quick enough. Well. डांस हो गया, इंटरेस्टिंग गेम भी हो गए, तो अब आप लोग क्या एक और धमाकेदार परफॉर्मेंस देखने के लिए तैयार हैं? So here's presenting a dance performance by Akriti Singh from 2nd year. Oops, मैंने तो अपने डांस की अपने आप ही तारीफ कर दी, तो चलिए देखते हैं. परफॉर्मेंस ने तो फ्रेशर्स में आग ही लगा दी।
तो मैं यहाँ पे कुछ शेयर करना चाहती हूँ आप सबसे। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू सो मच, आपने मेरी वीडियो पे हंसे, मैं सबकी शक्लें देख रही थी, सब बहुत स्माइल कर रहे थे, बहुत एंजॉय किया। थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू एवरीवन। एंड सेकेंडली मैं बताना चाहती हूँ कि मैं स्कूल तक इतनी शाय थी, मैंने कभी सोचा भी नहीं था। मैंने स्कूल में माइक पे एक लाइन बोलने में मैं इतना शिवर करती थी, और यहाँ मैंने भाई कॉलेज में माइक पे गाना गाया है, क्लास के सामने गाना गाया है, मैंने फैशन वॉक में पार्टिसिपेट किया है, मैंने बहुत कुछ किया है, मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस बहुत बढ़ गया है। तो मुझे कॉलेज से बहुत हेल्प मिली है, स्पेशली जो कल्चरल सोसाइटीज हैं। अगर आपको कुछ भी करना है ना यार, ये 3 साल बेस्ट है कुछ भी करने के लिए। आप अपनी स्किल्स पॉलिश करो, कुछ भी करना चाहते हो करो, कुछ भी, खाली मत बैठो। ये 3 साल ना वेस्ट मत करो, नया नया करते रहो। यू नेवर नो कल क्या वर्क कर जाए आपके लिए, किसमें आप माहिर निकल जाओ, कुछ भी हो सकता है कल। तो ट्राई करते रहो, ये 3 साल बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बहुत क्रूशियल भी है। मजे भी करो, एंजॉय भी करो, सब कुछ करो, बट वेस्ट मत होने देना। बस यही बोलना था। थैंक यू। ओवर टू यू आकृति।
गेम्स तो बहुत खेल लिए, अब बारी आती है उनके रिजल्ट्स की। तो आई रिक्वेस्ट श्रेया कि वो विजेताओं का नाम घोषित करे।
Thank you, Akriti. Top 3 teams amongst all the 18 teams are: first goes to Instagram, second goes to Google, and third team is Facebook. Congratulations.
Now the most awaited part, that is Mr. and Miss BJMC competition. I request Shruti and Kshitij to please take over.
Thank you, Akriti. And now it's time for the most awaited part of this entire event. Mr. and Miss BJMC. Puri hype isi ki to hai. So here we are. I Kshitij
and I Shruti
taking this forward. Get ready, the show begins.
This college may not exactly be like one of those in Dharma's movie, but it's definitely a bit of it. It with no dress codes and no other such stuff. Make the best of your college from today. Show us your true amazing personalities. Show us your charm, charisma, and truly admirable enthusiasm.
We hope you all are having a wonderful day. And if not, here we are. हम बना देते हैं. You know, college is incomplete without a dose of fashion and glamour. Every day is like your own red carpet where you can flaunt your fashion. I'm pretty sure we have a lot of divas and charming men out here just waiting to spread their magic all around. So what are you waiting for?
This entire competition was divided into 4 eliminatory rounds: talent hunt, fashion walk, Bolly GK quiz, and question answer round. We conducted talent hunt, fashion walk, and Bolly GK quiz as the prelims event. Going forward, let's see the variety of talent showcased by our very graceful freshies.
shortlisted the participants going forward to Bolly GK quiz. 8 students were shortlisted, namely Meghna Bakshi, Tanya Chawla, Mrinal Rawat, MS Divishri, Mihir Singh, Aryan Raj Singh, Kartik Ahuja, and Ashish Deda. And yesterday we had the third round, results of which will be announced right now. I request Shreya Sinha to kindly do the honors for the same.
Thank you, Kshitij. Results for Bolly quiz are top 3 girls Meghna Bakshi, Tanya Chawla, and Mrinal Rawat. Top 3 boys Mihir Singh, Aryan Raj, and Kartik Ahuja. Congratulations, guys.
Congratulations to all who are going ahead. You all are now just one step away from winning this competition.
Now it's time for the fourth and the final round, which is the question answer round. The rules are pretty simple. The round would be headed by HOD Dr. Susmita Bala ma'am and Dean Dr. Amrish Saxena sir. We will be calling the names one by one, and each candidate would give a brief introduction about themselves. Then our jury would ask them a question and everybody needs to answer them. The one giving the best answer would be honored under the entitlement of Mr. and Miss BJMC.
So let's begin. All the participants, please get ready, open your camera, open your mic, and we will begin. Our first participant for this round is Meghna Bakshi. Meghna, please give a brief introduction of yours.
Hello, good afternoon. So, hi, I'm Meghna Bakshi from Section A, BGMC. I passed my class 12 from Cambridge School, Noida, and I'm a classical dancer since 3 to 4 years. And I'm in this course because I want to explore myself more and want to improve my communication skills, and I have a keen interest in radio.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, Meghna. Now I request Bala ma'am to please ask her a question.
Okay, Meghna, how will you define destiny? Unmute yourself.
Meghna, please unmute yourself.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes,
Yeah.
Meghna, you are.
Yes. So, ma'am, how will I define destinies? It's mostly upon us only that what will be our end goal. It's like a step, like we have to just pass on the steps. Like ऐसे एक बार में jump नहीं कर सकते आप एकदम top पे. We have to take small baby steps and have to work upon ourselves and अपनी गलतियां भी देखनी है और जो लोग हमारे को criticize करे हमारे को उसको पॉजिटिव वे में लेना चाहिए, नॉट इन अ नेगेटिव वे कि हम लोग खुद ही अपने आप को डाउन कर ले, इन अ पॉजिटिव वे कि अच्छा उसने हमारे को गलत बोला तो हमारे में कुछ फॉल्ट रहेगा, उसको अच्छा करके फिर हम अपना आगे 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 बढ़ते हैं.
ठीक है.
थैंक यू.
Who is next? Kshitij.
Thank you, Meghna. Next up, we have
Our next candidate is now. Our next
Shruti, are you there?
Yes, I'm there. Our next candidate is Mihir Singh. Mihir, could you please come give us your brief introduction? Mihir?
Hello. Hello, ma'am. Hello, sir. Hi, guys. My name is Mihir Singh, and I'm a musician. I play guitar. I've been learning music since I was at the age of 12, I guess. 12 साल की उम्र से म्यूजिक कर रहा हूँ, so काफी साल तो हो ही गया मेरे को करते करते. एंड अभी लास्ट ईयर अभी जब लॉकडाउन स्टार्ट हुआ था तब से म्यूजिक प्रोडक्शन मैंने स्टार्ट करा है. तो अब मैं प्रोफेशनली म्यूजिक प्रोडक्शन कर रहा हूँ मैं. अब इन फ्यूचर अभी 2 साल के अंदर आप सब मेरा नाम पुकारोगे, एंड ये मैं श्योरिटी दे रहा हूँ इस बात को लेके. So yeah, that's it.
Now I would like to invite sir to ask Mihir his question.
Mihir,
Hello, sir.
if you come to know that you are going to die in 5 minutes, what will be your last wish?
So last 5 minutes, okay. सर मैं अपने जिंदगी के आखिरी 5 मिनट अगर मेरे पास होंगे, तो अगर मेरे पास उस समय जितना भी अगर मेरे पास पैसे होंगे या कुछ भी होंगे, तो गरीबों में मैं जाऊंगा, कुछ सोशल वर्क करूंगा मैं आखिरी 5 मिनट में, कम से कम कुछ अच्छा करके तो मरना है. That's it.
Thank you, Mihir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mihir.
Thank you so much.
Next up, we have Tanya Chawla. Tanya, please give a brief introduction of yours. Tanya, are you there?
Yes, am I audible?
Yes, Tanya, you are.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Tanya Chawla, and I have completed my schooling from Greenway Modern School. My hobbies are singing, dancing, cooking.
I ask Amrish sir to please ask her a question.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. So, if you are PM of India, if you are Prime Minister of India, will you accept or reject the farmers' demands, and why?
Sir, I would accept the farmers' demand, as I don't want them to be like, I don't want a situation like what they are facing right now. As I can see, it's very cold right now, and they're lying there, and it's very difficult for them to survive there without food and shelter, and still they are managing. So I feel if I would be the PM, I would have helped them. And personally, I really want, if I could have done anything, I could have asked about it. I would personally go there, and I would talk to them. This.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Next up, we have Aryan Raj Singh. Aryan, please come and give us a brief introduction about yourself.
Hello, everyone. My name is Aryan Raj Singh. I am a student of first year batch section A. I have completed my schooling from Mass Communication from prestigious college, Delhi Metropolitan Education. I am aiming to be an actor within next few years. Coming to my hobbies, I like swimming and playing video games. I live in a nuclear family, and my mantra for success or motivation is don't wait for the opportunity, you have to create it. Thank you.
Thank you, Aryan. Now I would request ma'am to ask Aryan his question.
Okay. Aryan, between family and ambition, what will you choose and why? Between family and ambition, what will you choose and why?
Ma'am, I would choose ambition. Ma'am, because ambition, we have only one life, and we get after about 83 million lives. So we should choose our ambition, our dream, our what we have to pursue, what we have to become. It's on our, and हमें ये होना चाहिए कि हमें एक लाइफ मिली है, हमें जो करना है, एम्बिशन जो हमें अच्छा लगता है वो करना चाहिए, जिसमें हम अच्छे हैं वो करना चाहिए, और जो चीज हमें मतलब कि जो हमें अच्छी लगती है उसे और अच्छा करें और उसे ग्रूम करें और अपने ड्रीम्स को जिए. थैंक यू.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, Aryan.
Next up, we have Mrinal Rawat. Mrinal, please give us a brief introduction of yours.
Am I audible?
Yes, Mrinal, you are.
A very good afternoon to all the faculty members of DME Media. Firstly, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity, and it's my pleasure to introduce myself. My name is Mrinal Rawat. I'm basically from Delhi NCR. I've done my schooling from Indrapuram Public School, Ghaziabad. I'm a very optimistic person, and I'm a kind of a person who believes in honesty. And I have a very small family. I have only, we are a family of 4 members, 4 family members, and my hobbies are dancing, acting, cooking, and I'm a very sweet spirit person. Um, that's it. Thank you once again.
Thank you, Mrinal. Now I request Bala ma'am to please ask her question.
Okay, Mrinal, who inspires you and why?
Ma'am, मुझे inspiration
I guess there's some connectivity issue from Mrinal's side.
Let's continue. And
Should we move on? We'll ask. I guess.
let's
we'll
just
answer
continue and then
later.
we'll wait if Mrinal reconnects.
Yeah, sure.
Our last and next candidate is Kartik Ahuja. Kartik, I would like you to come forward and give us your brief introduction.
Good afternoon, everyone present there. Myself, Kartik Ahuja, and I have completed my schooling from Delhi only. I just love to go for anchoring and debate in future if I get a chance for so. My ambition is to be a politician, firstly, and then after anything else. I'm a good dancer, that everyone knows. बस इतना ही काफी है.
Thank you so much, Kartik. Now I would request sir to ask him his question.
If your sibling is getting a preferential treatment, how will you react to your parents?
So sorry, it wasn't audible.
If your sibling is getting a preferential treatment, how will you react to your parents?
Sir, I won't react anything to my parents. It's all about the behavior and the family background everyone have.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Kartik.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Before moving on, I would ask Mrinal, are you here? Mrinal?
I think no, she's not here.
Then I think we should move on.
Who is next?
We are done with all the participants.
Mhm.
Now I would request Akriti to please take over.
थैंक यू क्षितिज। तो जनता जनार्दन यानी हमारे फ्रेशीज, आ गया है टाइम एक और मजेदार और धमाकेदार डांस परफॉर्मेंस का। So here's presenting a groovy dance performance by Naina, a second year BJMC student. ये परफॉर्मेंस जो आपने दी इट वाज सुपर से भी बहुत ऊपर। So next up we have a very beautiful poem written by मुस्कान बवेजा from second year.
मेरी कविता कुछ इस प्रकार है। गलियों में सितारे कुछ समेट के रखे थे, गलियों में सितारे कुछ समेट के रखे थे, इन किताबों में उड़ते पन्ने लपेट के रखे थे, बोर्ड्स के एग्जाम से पहले ख्वाब भी बनाए थे, हमेशा साथ रहने के वादे भी सजाए थे, दिल तो बच्चा है जी बच्चे ही थे, सपने अनमोल हैं खूब फरमाए थे, स्कूल की दुनिया से दूर एक नई पेशकश का आरंभ करते हैं, आइए आप और हम कॉलेज की ये कविता संग पढ़ते हैं। वो सवेरे उठने के चलते बहाने भी रख लो, वो सवेरे उठने के चलते बहाने भी रख लो, क्लास से निकलने के ठिकाने भी रख लो, खर्चे में अनाड़ी हो तो साथी भी बन जाओ, जी हाँ चाय पीने के आदी भी बन जाओ, रूम में रहने से पढ़ाकू भी बनना है, राय मशवरा का दादू भी बनना है, शायद सवेरे की नींद रात की कुर्बानी होगी, शायद सवेरे की नींद रात की कुर्बानी होगी, एग्जाम से पहले तिगड़ी भी लगानी होगी, दुकान से उधारी का जमाना भी चलाओगे, सोनू भैया की मैगी का रिकॉर्ड भी बनाओगे। रूममेट के चलते आशिक भी बनाने हैं, देर रात जग जग कर पर्चे भी बनाने हैं। प्रॉक्सी के चलते जुगाड़ भी लगाने हैं, बंक के चलते दहाड़ियां भी खाने हैं। एंट्री एग्जिट तो कॉलेज की सीमा है, रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन खुद ही समझा लो। प्रेसिडेंट क्लब के सपने बना लो, दूसरे डिपार्टमेंट भी अपने बना लो। इन लाइंस का एक अलग ही किस्सा है, सब्र तो करो, सब कुछ सच्चा है। जिसके चलते लड़ना भी सीखोगे, निभाने का मकसद शायद यहीं से सीखोगे। आज दिन है तो कुछ बताती हूँ, झूठ कुछ नहीं, सब सच सच सुनाती हूँ। कुछ सपने जो खुद से हैं वो पूरे भी करने हैं, घर से जो छोड़कर आए हो सब अपने भी करने हैं। सिर्फ कॉलेज नहीं, एक ख्वाब बनाना है, डीएमई की मिट्टी पे अनूठा परिवार बनाना है, डीएमई की मिट्टी पे एक अनूठा परिवार बनाना है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Muskan. That was really a wonderful poem. Now, it's time for which we all are here. The results. The results of Mr. and Miss BJMC. But not that easily. There's some more time to wait. There's some delay in the results. I would request Amrit sir to please say something.
अच्छा, बहुत अच्छी परफॉर्मेंसेस की सबने और it's a really nice program which has been conceived and designed and executed by both first year and second year. So I think we will keep up this spirit, and many more things are going to happen in the coming months. We hope कि बहुत जल्दी हम लोग ऑफलाइन में होंगे तो फेस टू फेस सबकी परफॉर्मेंस देखने का मौका मिलेगा. So it was indeed a good thing. I think you must continue this. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now we have the names. Shruti, would you like to continue?
Yes, I would like to continue, Kshitij. And now we have the names for Mr. and Miss BAJMC. Anyone in the chat box? So Mr. and Miss, so Mr. BAJMC for 2021 web goes to Mihir.
Congratulations, Mihir. You are Mr. BJMC 2021. And now, Miss BJMC 2021 is. Any guesses? Miss BJMC 2021 is Tanya Chawla. Congratulations, Tanya.
Congratulations, Mihir. Congratulations, Tanya. We all
Congratulations.
Best wishes to you.
And now I request Shreya Sinha to please take over.
Thank you, Kshitij. Good afternoon to all. I, Shreya Sinha, would like to thank everyone who supported us in making this a better online event. I deem it a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. Let me first say a few lines for freshies. You have done the hard part because you have been accepted into college. Now, just take it step by step and you will be fine. Roll up your sleeves and be ready to dive into some serious work and ask for help as often as you need it. People will want to help and professors want you to succeed. You can do anything you put your mind to. I can't wait to hear about your achievements and good luck with your first year. Now, first and foremost, I would like to extend my heartiest thanks to Professor Dr. Amrish Saxena, Dean DME Media School, and Professor Dr. Susmita Bala, Head DME Media School, for giving us this opportunity and helping us throughout. I would like to thank Ms. Sanchita Chakraborty, Assistant Professor DME Media School, for extending this great opportunity to me as Head Coordinator of this event and for guiding us and encouraging us throughout the event. I would like to thank all the faculty members for their valuable contribution and help whenever needed. At last, but never the least, I'd like to thank the entire team without whom this event would have never happened. Anchoring team headed by Shreya Singh with team members Shruti Pandey, Kshitij Sharma, Muskan Baveja and Akriti Singh. Coordinating team headed by Shreya Sinha with team members Mayank Vaish, Naina Parmeshwaran, Yash Makhija, Kunika Khurana, Soumya Saxena, Aditi Kothari, Chetna Garg, Ishika Sharma, Jansi Kaul, Prashita Rawat, Tanisha Gupta, Saurabh Jaiswal, Dipanshi Uppal, Souvik Mondal, Aditya Srivastav, Priyancha Srivastav and Tanika Bajaj. Cultural team headed by Soumya Saxena with team members Naina Parmeshwaran, Aryan Malhotra, Vaidehi Kaushik and Chetna Garg. Management team headed by Mayank Vaish with team members Aditi Srivastav, Ekta Baroli, Aditi Kothari, Chetna Garg, Priyancha, Tanika Bajaj, Twinkle Gupta, Saurabh Jaiswal, Souvik Mondal and Dipanshi Uppal. Designing team headed by Ansh Pandey with team members Twinkle Gupta, Ankit Kushwaha and Megha Gupta. Also, special thanks to Mr. Sumantra Sarthi Das and Mr. Sachin Nair, Assistant Professors DME Media School and their entire technical team for helping us in running this program smoothly. I also thank all the mentors of the 3 section of first year, Mr. Pramod Pandey, Ms. Manmeet Kaur, Ms. Sukriti Arora for the constant help, support and coordination. I also thank all the members again for devising interest in covering the event and all good hearts who worked behind the screen and cooperating all the time with me in making this event a resounding success. Thank you.